boys and girls. Today we're doing Ryan's toy chest unboxing. We're unboxing Ryan's World mystery figures. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Mystery figure.
Okay. What
What do you think it is? What did you get, Lennox?
Karate Ryan.
Show it to the camera.
And his foot, he break.
Oh, and a piece of wood. Can I see the paper?
People.
Let's see. Let's read
And
it.
there's some mysteries.
Okay, so Lennox got the Kung Fu Ryan and board.
Two shows. That might be good. Now, my turn.
Kung Fu Ryan.
Now, my turn.
And now it's Thinku's turn. Alright, wait, open your Ryan toy first.
Okay. Open this for this. Open two.
Just open Ryan first.
Open one, then the other one. Let me see.
What did you get?
Mo. Yes.
He got Gus and a pizza.
I got my own one.
Do you want to open it to show everybody?
I do.
He got Gus and pizza. Micah is going to do the little egg unboxing. Hey guys, this is what I unboxed.
It's a cat.
What is that?
A straw. A straw.
A what?
A straw.
A what?
A straw.
A what?
A straw.
A scroll.
Things subscribe and stand up and keep watching.
Say.
And press the thumbs up and stop and hit that bell.
What do you do if you hit the bell?
We just subscribe.
If you hit the bell, what happens?
We get to see all the other toy chest.
Oh wow, you do. You get subscribe. Hit the red button for notification.
Notification.
Notifications.
And see you later. Bye.